Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a special guest with me. Hey guys, I'm Nicole's best friend and my name is Mia. Or Maya. Fine, those are my nicknames. My real name is Mimi. But yeah. Today we're going to be trying the most weirdest products of 2026. Or people would say satisfying or fun. First, we have these two needles. We have this one and we have this one. Here you go, Nicole. Okay, these are really weird because the inside is a clear kind of like slime or whatever. They're kind of weird, but I like them. I'll rate this like an 8 out of 10. I'll rate it like a 6. I don't like the texture. Okay, next product. We have this Temu phone. Yeah, because we got all this stuff from Temu, guys. Like actual Temu. This phone is like kind of like a strawberry. It looks really cute. Why was that so loud? I actually like it though. Oh man, it changed the sound. Okay, y'all, I think I'm having way too much fun with the phone. I want to give it to Nicole. Let's do the apps. I like it. So, the apps. Okay, they have TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Cover Store. Okay. The App Store. Okay. It's a good phone. I like it. I'll rate it like, maybe like, I'll rate it like a 10. Yeah, I'll rate it a 10 out of 10 too. Now, time for the kind of like hoverboard or whatever. I want to try it. Does it even work? Wait, I actually like this. Oh my god, bro! Why is this so fun? Ah! I rate this like a 100 out of 100. I don't know. Just like a million. This is so good. I love it. Girl, I'm pretty sure it's not that cool. Whoa. Why does it feel like that? Ah! I hate it. No. It's just not. It's too fast, guys. I like it, but like, okay, I rate it like a 7 out of 10. Girl, that was such a good product. Yeah, that could almost like hurt me. Time for the last two. I will unbox this one. Oh, it's a painting. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. It looks so cute. I rate it like a 10 out of 10. Like an 11 out of 11. 11 out of 10 because that's like one of the best products out of this whole thing. It is not that cool. It is. Oh, I gotta go get some hands up. Time for the last product. Oh my gosh, I don't like this. What is this? I rate that a 0 out of 10. My first 0 of the whole thingy. Yeah. I rated it like a 0. Complete 0. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Bye. Bye. Like and subscribe for more. Part 2's coming soon.